Students, today I will explain you exercise 3.5, question number 4, fifth part. Exercise 3.5, question number 4, fifth part. Question is saying the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay, so let us start fifth part. Let length be x units because their unit is not given, and breadth be y units, okay. Let length be x units and breadth be y units. Then after, the area of the rectangle will be what? Area of rectangle will be, you know, that length into breadth, x into y. Okay, to reduce by 9 square units. So it means x y minus 9. According to question, what will be? Area of the rectangle will be what? X into y reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by the 5 units, means x minus 5, and breadth is increased by 3 units, means y plus 3. This is the first condition it is given. Area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 when the what? Length is decreased by 5 and the breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay. So now what we will do? We have to solve this. The right hand side, if you will solve, it will be xy minus 5y, okay, then plus 3x and minus 50. What I have done? I have multiplied x into y, then what? Minus 5 into y, then 3 into x, 3x, and the 3 into minus 50. And there already xy minus 9 is there. xy will be cancelled. Then that will be 3x minus 5y equals minus 9 plus 15, or this can be 3x minus 5y equal to minus 9 plus 15 will be what? 15 minus 9, 6. This is the first equation. Okay. So whatever the question is told, according to that we have done and we have got that. Okay. First equation we have got 3x minus 5y equal to 6. Now the second part of the question. What is saying? If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area is increases by 67 square units. The area is increases by 67 square units. There it was decreasing, here it is increasing. And which condition it is increasing? When the length is increased by 3 units and breadth be 2 units. Means both are increasing, length and breadth both. Then area will be increased by 67. Why I am writing the xy? Because the xy is the what? That is the area. Now simplify it. This will be xy plus 3y plus 2x plus 6. Or this can be written as xy again cancel. 2x plus 3y equal to 67 minus 6, or 2x plus 3y equal to 61. This is the second equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 61. Now we have to solve. Okay, both 1 and 2. So by the different ways we can do, we can put the values there. 3x equal to what? 5y plus x is equal to what? That way by substitution also we can do, by elimination also we can do. Okay, so we have to eliminate here. Okay, what will be easy for us? We have to eliminate. First equation will multiply with the what? That will be 2, and second equation multiplied by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Then what we are getting? Then we get multiplication equation 1 by 2 it is saying. Then that will be 6x minus 10y equals 12, and this will be by 3, then that will be 6x plus 9y equals 183. Okay. So now you'll see that by subtracting what we will get here, by subtracting. When we are subtracting, then we have to do a minus sign, and that will be also minus sign. So this 6x minus 6x will be what? It will be cancelled, and minus 10y minus 9y will be what? Minus 19y, and minus 183 and 12. What will come? One hundred 95. 195 is coming. No, there is the negative and that is the positive. So this will be subtract. So that will be 3 minus 2 1, and 8 minus 1 7, 171 minus 171. So minus 19y equal to what? Minus 171. So y will be minus 171 upon minus 19. You know that 99 is what? 171, and minus minus will be what? Cancel. So y equal to 9. So students, we have got the value of y 9 here. Y is the what? That is our breadth. Now we can put this value in any equation. Put this value in equation 1. Which value? Y value. Y value is 9 is there. So 3 into x minus 5 into 9 equal to 6. Or 3x equal to 6, and 9 5s are 45. 9 5 is 45, and this side it will go positive. So 3x equal to what? 51. X will be 51 upon 3. That will be 17. So length is 17 square units, and the breadth is what? 9 square units. Your answer will be length 17 unit, and the breadth will be 9, because unit is not given centimeter or meter, therefore we have to write the unit. Okay, because area is given in square units. No? In that way, you will see the students what we have done. The length v x and y units, and then after whatever the question is there, according that we have made the first equation, then after the second equation, and then we are seeking that by multiplying this by 2 and by multiplying 3, it will be 6 and 6x, and both will subtract, then that will be cancelled. So by subtracting, what we have got? Minus 19y equal to minus 171. So y equal to what? 9 it has come, and this value you have to put in equation number 1, then you have got the x equal to 17. So length is 17 unit and breadth is 9 unit. In this way you have to do. Okay, students.